Looking for a reliable ride to boost your delivery speed? The best e-bike for food delivery combines power, endurance, and comfort, making every trip effortless. Perfect for city streets, it ensures you reach every order on time, every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Nesthao e-bike for food delivery. The Nesthao e-bike for food delivery is designed to meet the unique demands of food delivery professionals, combining convenience, durability, and functionality. One of its standout features is the magnetic top cover on the insulated food bag, which eliminates the common issues of worn-out zippers and Velcro, making opening and closing the bag quick and effortless. This practical design ensures that hot and cold foods remain at their optimal temperature thanks to the commercial-grade 500D tarpaulin, PE foam insulation, and reflective aluminum foil lining. The upright insulated food delivery box, reinforced with a lightweight fiberglass frame and removable bottom inserts, maintains shape during transit and protects contents from collapsing. The bag's interior is intelligently designed with 6 elastic cup holders and 2 drink hooks, accommodating various beverages securely while in motion. A large transparent pocket and lockable bottom zipper enhance the bag's usability, providing a dedicated space for store advertisements or signs and safeguarding items against theft and rain. Furthermore, the multiple carrying options, including handles, shoulder straps, and rear rack webbing, make the Nesthao e-bike versatile for e-bikes, scooters, or motorcycles, allowing riders to transport up to 7 14-inch pizza boxes comfortably. Its emphasis on temperature retention, ergonomic carrying, and durability makes it an ideal choice for food delivery services such as Uber Eats, DoorDash, and catering businesses. Riders can navigate city streets efficiently while ensuring the food arrives fresh, intact, and presentable. With its thoughtful construction and professional-grade materials, the Nesthao e-bike elevates the delivery experience for both riders and customers. Number 2. Rideplux e-bike for food delivery. The Rideplux e-bike for food delivery offers a perfect balance of speed, range, and durability, making it a top choice for city riders seeking efficiency and comfort. Its 750W high-performance motor enables riders to reach top speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, while the bike's remarkable range allows for 39 to 43 miles on full electric mode and 45 to 55 miles using pedal assist, ensuring that long shifts can be completed without frequent recharging. The lightweight yet sturdy high-step commuter-style frame is rust-resistant and designed for daily use, offering both reliability and sleek aesthetics. The 35-speed professional transmission system allows riders to handle diverse terrains, including hills, city streets, and rough patches, while the 26-inch puncture-resistant tires and front fork suspension provide a smooth, comfortable ride. Safety and visibility are prioritized with dual lights, mechanical disc brakes, and a user-friendly LCD display for monitoring speed, battery, and ride statistics. Its 36V374.4 WHUL certified removable battery charges fully in just 3 to 4 hours and ensures secure performance in all weather conditions, giving peace of mind to riders. Additionally, the Rideplux e-bike comes 85% pre-assembled with a 12-month warranty, making setup quick and hassle-free. Designed with both performance and practicality in mind, this e-bike allows food delivery riders to navigate urban environments efficiently, carry loads comfortably, and maintain consistent delivery schedules. Combining high-speed capability, long battery life, and professional-grade build quality, the Rideplux e-bike sets a high standard for food delivery e-bikes, ensuring reliable and stress-free service. Number 3. GELEISEN e-bike for food delivery. The GELEISEN e-bike for food delivery is built for speed, versatility, and rider comfort, ideal for professionals who need to cover long distances quickly and safely. Equipped with a 750W motor and 200W peak power, this e-bike can achieve impressive speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, allowing riders to deliver food efficiently in busy urban areas. Its long-range 48V removable battery provides up to 55 miles per charge with low pedal assist, offering a low center of gravity that enhances stability and handling. The GELEISEN e-bike features robust 26x3.0-inch fat tires with adjustable suspension forks and dual disc brakes, ensuring safe and smooth rides over different terrains, whether city streets, rough paths, or uneven surfaces. Its foldable and step-through frame design adds portability and convenience, making it easy to store and transport when needed. Riders also benefit from 3 riding modes: full electric, pedal assist, and standard bike mode, allowing flexibility to manage fatigue and energy levels throughout a delivery route. The LCD display provides real-time information on speed, battery power, and distance traveled, while the 7-speed professional transmission system enables quick and smooth gear changes. Delivered 85% pre-assembled, the e-bike comes with clear installation instructions and a supportive customer service team for any setup assistance. GELEISEN combines high performance, practicality, and rider-centric design to create an e-bike that meets the rigorous demands of daily food delivery, offering speed, reliability, and comfort for professionals who need to stay ahead in fast-paced urban environments. Number 4. EDIKANI e-bike for food delivery. The EDIKANI e-bike for food delivery stands out with its powerful motor, long-range battery, and rugged design, making it perfect for riders who require endurance and efficiency. Its 48V18AH 864WH BMS lithium-ion battery provides up to 90 miles in pedal assist mode and 40 miles in throttle-only mode, while the fast charging capability ensures riders can resume deliveries quickly. The 500W peak motor delivers a maximum speed of 34 miles per hour, effortlessly climbing hills up to 30 degrees and supporting riders up to 330 pounds. Its all-terrain 4-inch fat tires and reinforced rear rack allow deliveries over sand, snow, pavement, and trails while maintaining stability and traction. The e-bike features a smart LCD display with Bluetooth app connectivity for GPS tracking, remote lock/unlock, and ride analytics, giving riders control and security on every trip. 5 customizable riding modes, including pedal assist, cruise control, and manual 7-speed gears, accommodate varying terrain and delivery needs. Safety and comfort are enhanced with high-power LED headlights, brake-activated taillights, dual hydraulic disc brakes, an adjustable suspension fork, ergonomic saddle, and anti-slip pedals. Arriving 95% pre-assembled with an exclusive step-by-step video guide, the EDIKANI e-bike ensures quick setup and minimal hassle. Combining cutting-edge technology, long-range power, and off-road capability, this e-bike provides a reliable, high-performance solution for food delivery professionals seeking efficiency, versatility, and comfort during extended shifts. Number 5. DTTZH e-bike for food delivery. The DTTZH e-bike for food delivery is a compact yet powerful solution for urban delivery riders, offering speed, maneuverability, and safety. Its 750W rated motor, reaching up to 28 miles per hour with a peak of 1000W, allows riders to navigate city streets efficiently, while the 48V15 removable battery provides 22 miles of pure electric range or 60 miles with pedal assist mode, supporting longer routes and multiple deliveries. The bike's advanced suspension system, including a 6-point frame and front fork shock absorption, ensures a smooth ride over potholes, gravel, and uneven roads, reducing fatigue during busy delivery shifts. Dual disc brakes and anti-skid pedals provide reliable stopping power and safety, even in high-traffic areas. The DTTZH e-bike's innovative 3-step folding design allows easy storage under desks, in cars, or tight spaces, while 3 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and normal bike, offer flexibility for different delivery needs. UL 2849 and GCC certified for safety, the bike incorporates bright front LED lights and brake taillights for enhanced visibility during night rides. Compact, foldable, and equipped with modern safety features, this e-bike is ideal for riders who value performance, portability, and reliability. Its combination of high-speed capability, long-lasting battery, and all-terrain stability makes the DTTZH e-bike an excellent choice for urban food delivery, ensuring that riders can reach every order quickly, safely, and efficiently, while maintaining control and comfort throughout the day. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.